My name is Branislava Blagojevic. I can spell you that later. I'm from Serbia. I live in Colorado. I go to Kansas City High School and I have a lot of friends. I love it here. We have American Studies, that's a class, and in that class we have 15 minutes news for students, and that's when I first saw it. Haiti, devastating, everything was just horrible. Earthquake and people dying and still in search for other people, and it was really bad. So I talked to my teacher and I talked to my family. We did all we can to make 1 week in school for collecting money in jars, and we made it a competition. Who collects the most pennies gets free breakfast in the morning for the class. So students took it pretty well, and we collected $1,378, and I don't want to stop with me. So I will talk to my principal, maybe having more exchange students next year in our school, make them participate in as many things as they can, because I really don't want it to stop after us. Make your own way to it. Find the people who will help you. Find the people you can trust, and just go for it.